Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a VPN with router support or smart DNS because PS5 lacks native VPN apps. Create your account, pick the server regions you need, and keep credentials handy. Once done, decide the connection method. Flash or configure your home router, use your PC as a VPN hotspot, or set smart DNS on the console. Make that decision now so the next steps install or enter settings specific to the method you picked. You'll now perform the core configuration for the option you chose. If using a router, log into its admin page, install firmware or the provider profile, paste server address and credentials, then apply and reboot the router. If using a PC hotspot, run the VPN on the PC, enable internet sharing, and create a WPA2 hotspot that the PS5 will join. For smart DNS, enter the DNS IPs on the PS5 network settings. Make sure to reboot the console after saving to apply the routed DNS. Finally, connect your PS5 to the VPN-enabled network and verify the console's IP and region using the system browser or an IP check page. Test PlayStation Store access, streaming apps, and multiplayer. Prefer a wired connection for stability and lower ping. If something goes wrong, reboot the PS5 and router, flush DNS on the console by re-entering settings, try a different VPN server, and reduce MTU if packet loss occurs. If problems persist, contact your VPN support for logs and guidance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.